So this is cat 6 cable testing, and it's a LAN cable, local area network cable. So after the termination is done, we are simulating with this instrument to see if the termination was done well. And as you are seeing on the screen, you can see down 3, 4, 5, 6 is blinking, and you can see a fail sign here. These are the lines blinking: 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it means that there is no connection between the two RJ45 at the end. So it means there's a loose contact on the port 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have to check here. So I have to check from here the 3, 4, 5, 6, and then make sure it is really connected well, and then I'll proceed with my test. So you start counting from here. This is the 1, 2, and this is our 3. So I have to make sure the cable is well connected. 3, 4, 5, and then 6. So from there, so after we are done, we now on the instrument again, once again, then confirm on the loop to check if it's okay now. So let's see. Yes, so now we have pass here, which means the cables are really connected correctly. You see, there's no any number blinking, so it means at the end of each RJ45 the cables are reconnected very well. Thank you for watching.